If you're an experienced agent, your problem isn't leads, it's net freedom. In the next few minutes, I'll show why experienced agents joining eXp keep more, scale faster, and finally get the advanced mentorship they were promised, plus the specific levers, tools, and numbers you can use this week. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to turn eXp into a business accelerator while staying compliant and in control. But first, I'm Doug Smart, team leader and full stack developer with Smart Agent Alliance. We love helping agents win, and we provide more free value than anyone else. Every day, we work for our agents completely free to build smarter systems, automate their lead flow, and create real passive income so they can enjoy more time freedom. If that sounds useful, click the link below to join our free webinar. In this video, we'll go over the shift top producer and team leaders are making, then stack eXp's platform with Smart Agent Alliance and the Wolfpack to give you enterprise horsepower and boutique mentorship. You'll leave with practical steps you can drop into your business immediately. So, why do they work? Well, top producers aren't chasing shiny objects. They're chasing higher net, leadership they respect and can actually reach, and a culture that is supportive. The breakpoints are predictable, franchise royalties, tech bloat, and slow support quietly drain margin and momentum. eXp's cloud model strips the overhead, no franchise or desk fees, and replaces branch bottlenecks with live broker help that you can access within minutes. So decisions move faster and delays stay on rails. The math is simple, an 80-20 split with $16,000 cap, then you keep 100% with modest per deal fees. That's the year split into two chapters, pre-cap and then pure keep what you earn. Icon producers earn back that $16,000 cap in company stock, which is why veterans talk about net and not headlines. Plus, at eXp, you can keep your team splits, bring your team into your sponsorship, and also get revenue share income from eXp's company dollar when your agents close deals. That's right, more income, less work, and that at eXp Realty, you're not only part of the only publicly traded brokerage that has been profitable over the past 5 years, and the brokerage with the highest anonymous agent reviews, and you know that when eXp says they're the most agent-centric brokerage on the planet, they actually live up to that. So, who switches to eXp? The wave of new agents to eXp isn't just newbies. It's mid to luxury agents, team leaders, and independents done paying for offices they never use and outdated tech stacks. They want multi-state reach without franchise permission slips, rapid broker access, and tools that actually reduce steps and save them time. They want more income streams to get the wealth that allows them to plan their exit and keep getting paid past their last done deal. The pattern we see is consistent. Seasoned agents trade friction for flow and wealth building. And if they want to, they can keep their branding intact while getting global infrastructure. For example, in Vancouver's luxury market, Kyle M. pivoted from buyer-heavy work to a steady stream of high-end listings after joining eXp Luxury by applying team strategies and consistent organic content. No paid ads, just better architecture and support. This is the pattern. Seasoned agents swapping friction for flow. And hey, if you're getting any value from this, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. So moving on to the tools that matter. Practical wins show up fast. eXp includes everything most brokerages upcharge for: transaction management software, IDX website hosting, Canva Pro, and 80+ hours of live training each week, all for one low monthly fee of $85. No add-ons, no surprise charges. Agents can choose their preferred CRM between Bold Trail, Lofty, or Close, and connect automation tools like Fixer, which scans your inbox, categorizes every message, and drafts responses ready for one-click approval. The built-in real estate AI, Mira, answers questions instantly, so you're never waiting for feedback. When you want more business for you or your team, there's eXp's in-house lead division, Revenos, that delivers active buyers and sellers directly to you. And eXp is the only brokerage with a full-time international lead staff. And if you're part of Smart Agent Alliance, we layer an automation that multiplies output. AI Agent Accelerator, Social Agent Academy Pro, 5 weekly master calls per week, and Client Pipeline Accelerator, and much more. Everything eXp and Smart Agent Alliance offers means you get systems that helps all your team members produce, which means more success for your bottom line without you expanding the time and energy to get it. Now, moving on to team leader fit. The moment a team leader hits 5 to 10 agents, every inefficiency multiplies. Missed onboarding steps, unclear splits, and a time suck to mentor each detail all leads to lost closings fast. That's why team leaders at eXp aren't just buying flexibility, they're buying control back. With eXp's cloud brokerage, there's no local franchise border fencing you in. You can recruit across any state or country where eXp operates, plug new agents into an identical onboarding track, and have them produce in days instead of weeks. The tech stack syncs everything: SkySlope handles compliance, eXp Hub connects communication instantly, and the eXp World Campus gives live broker access on demand. That is all the support you could ever ask for right there. Everyone is on staff as well. Then comes the leverage part most leaders overlook. eXp pays you 3 ways: production, equity, and revenue share. So leadership finally earns like ownership. Plus, revenue share income is willable and you can retire and keep it. I know, crazy good stuff. That's how David B. grew his top 250 team by collapsing ramp times through systems, not speeches. He spent less time babysitting, more time leading, and his growth graph looked like what happens when chaos finally meets structure. So what are some of the common questions? Can I keep my brand? Yes, you can keep your brand, logo, colors, voice. Add brokered by eXp Realty per your state and keep rolling. Is eXp still a fit for veterans in 2026? Yes, most movers are experienced agents and teams who want to scale, support, and get multiple income streams, all without franchise or desk fees. Will I lose clients during a move? No, not if you run a clean plan. Announce first to VIPs, mirror your tech for a week, and keep prospecting during the switch. eXp even facilitates pending deals where your old broker gets paid in full and you don't pay eXp anything to get those deals closed. Nice, right? Just an easy way to hop on over. So why does this matter? When you see what experienced agents get by moving now, it clicks. You stop renting momentum and start owning it. That's how top agents buy back time without sacrificing production. Here's what you get with Smart Agent Alliance on day 1. Dual mentorship, passive income systems, top coaching, real community, marketing assets, and a real referral network. Smart Agent Alliance's focus is on creating done-for-you systems, so you don't have to sit through another training just to implement something small. You stay focused on producing while we handle the heavy lifting, all at no extra cost. If you want freedom with scale, income when you're producing, and income when you're mentoring, tap the link below, join our free webinar, then book a call, and we'll map out your move step by step. For more details, check out our full blog, linked in the description below, and there should be some more videos showing up right about now, covering more things about eXp and our team. Thank you for watching. Peace.